Hello everybody, in this video we will jackhammer and remove some old outdated cracked tiles. The client wanted something more elegant in its design and permanent as a solution. So on the left side of the building where the loading bay area was, we installed a rubber stone coating with recycled rubber. And in the front of the building we did a custom logo, HLSCC. We also did all the stairs in Sierra stone, a natural stone and epoxy coating. Check out the video, hope you guys like it. This is our second day at the college and it's been pouring rain both days. We were building this canopy for the plastic to protect the rubber coating, but it wasn't really intended for this heavy rain. It was just intended for, shade and a little bit of light rain. So it's causing a lot of delays and we're just gonna have to reschedule the work.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me.
This was supposed to be one of our busiest weeks in a long time. We have 3 different jobs to install this week and the rain is not helping. It's been pouring rain for the last 2 days. We've been building the shelter for the plastic to help, but it's like non-stop downpour, so it's gonna delay the work. We're gonna have to reschedule everything for next week. So stay tuned and hopefully we get everything done and the sun starts to shine. It's already been delayed 4 days this week because of rain. And it's starting to get really annoying, but we're gonna push through and hopefully it clears up and hopefully our plastic does the trick. The guys are putting up more plastic against the building. But yeah, it hasn't been easy. There's been a lot of obstacles on this small little job. Hey guys, we're finally back to work. Coronavirus had us locked down in the British Virgin Islands for the last 4 weeks, so we haven't been allowed to leave our homes until today. Today is our first day back to work, so we're here on Tortola at the community college. We just finished setting up our tarps and our plastic to protect us from the elements, the rain, and we're installing a natural stone coating all of this week. So continue watching the rest of the video. We'll try to vlog as much as we can now that we're back to work, and we're all very happy to be back to work. It's been a long 4 weeks locked down in our house, so stay tuned, keep watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button. The client made it very clear that they wanted a very elegant product that was a non-slip surface. So the Sierra Stone answered both of those questions for them. We were very confident that it would be a good showcase for us at HLSCC, as it was our first installation in the BVI. And you know, so far so good. We had some issues installing the stone on the stairs. Doing stairs with any material is very time consuming and tedious, but we got it done. We're very happy with the outcome, and you know, now people won't be slipping and falling walking up and down those stairs when it's wet outside. Thanks for watching the video, guys. We really appreciate it. If you have any questions about recycled rubber coatings or natural stone coatings with epoxy or polyurethane binders, leave a comment below. We appreciate the support, whether it's on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Keep following the journey, guys. We appreciate it. Thank you. Cheers.